Jenny, are you drunk?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Yep. I just have hiccups.
I think you're drunk.
No, I just have hiccups.
No, I think you're drunk. Oh, this shit's fucking funny shit. You, you know why it's funny?
Why?
Because I'm recording.
I know.
And every time you have a hiccup, it's fucking funny. Look, watch. Oh shit, that's fucking funny. I'm gonna put this on fucking YouTube. I am right now. Look. I'm gonna title it, have you ever had the hiccups that wouldn't go away? Come on, give me one more.
What's coming?
Let me see. Come on.
I'm trying to hold it back.
You can't hold it back.
No. Your bed's over there calling you.
Who's?
Yours.
Oh, hell no. The fucking bar's calling my name. Come on, give me another one. Let me see. So I can put it on YouTube.
They're coming. I think they're gone.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, I think so.
No, I don't think so.
Mm-hmm.
No, I don't think so. Told you.